Hello everyone, this is David from Rise Laser. Last video, I showed you what air-cooled time laser welder looks like. This video, I am going to show you how to let this machine works. The first step is to power it with our machine. The second step is connect argon, which is commonly used in laser welding machine. After connect that, we open this machine for these two steps. Reach the emergency button, press it. At the end, you need to adjust the focus length of the welding head. Move the position of the focus length to find the spot where the light is strongest and the sparkle is the largest. You know how to let this laser welder works. Subscribe our channel. Next time I will show you how to find the suitable parameter for your own material.